After many cold, rainy days, the first big snowstorm hit the mountains. Powdery flakes accumulated in the treetops and covered the ground. The air became sharp and smelt a bit of cherry wood smoke. This year feels different in a good way. Instead of rushing into resolutions, I found a lot of comfort and peace in the art of resting. We are cyclical creatures, and winter signals the body to slow down, to hibernate, to tune into this earth energy, yearning to sleep more with the lack of daylight, to hold a warm drink in cold hands, to cozy up by a fire, to take slow, purposeful walks through the snow, instead of engaging in constant movement. It feels like the time to plant the seeds of your goals and let them grow in the spring when the world awakens. A time to become introspective, reflect, and gently plan.
Oh my god.
It's so good. Oh, the forest in the morning is so peaceful. I feel like you can come out here and really just be uninterrupted with your mind. Very meditative. Before we get going with this day, I wanted to say thank you to this video sponsor, BetterHelp. When I was picturing 2024, a lot came to mind. I envisioned all the spring and summer renovations at the A-frame and nourishing my body and taking time to rest and eventually rebranding my small business. And to help me achieve these aspirations in a balanced way, I've been talking with a therapist on BetterHelp who walks me through managing stress, boosting self-confidence, and optimizing my schedule to avoid burnout. BetterHelp makes starting therapy easier and much less intimidating for a lot of people. You can have sessions as a phone call or a video chat or even messaging, whatever's the most comfortable version of therapy for you. You'll be matched with one of over 30,000 therapists in their network based on your preferences, need, and location. So join over 4 million people who've used BetterHelp to start living a healthier and happier life. Click the link in the description or visit betterhelp.com/AllieMarieBrown. Simply fill out a questionnaire about your current challenges and the type of therapist you'd like. In most cases, you're matched with a therapist within 48 hours, and if you feel like it isn't a great fit, you can switch with the click of a button at no additional cost. Clicking the link helps support this channel, and it also gets you 10% off your first month of BetterHelp, so you can connect with the therapist and see if it helps you. Thank you again to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. Kyle just filled up the generator with some more gas, and so all the electricity's off for now. We're going to go walk in the snow.
This is gonna be beautiful.
Seriously.
Holy crap! This is insane. Wow. Jeez. Dang.
The generator's still going. I think we're at 70% right now, so a little bit longer on that. And in the meantime, there is so much snow on the roof. I want to get at least the skylights clear. It's so dark in the cabin and we're already down in the pines. So with it being winter and just dark already so much of the day, it'd be nice to get some more sunlight in there. Then we don't have to turn on the lights as much too, which conserves energy. Oh, wow. I think the plan is to go harvest some more firewood after that, get that wood shed we built last week stocked up a bit more. The air feels so good to breathe. Couldn't ask for better weather today.
What a spot. And you get the best view of the sky from here. See the stars.
You should hang out up here more often.
Yeah, we should.
The sun feels so good. All right, back to work. Firewood time. The garden's completely covered.
This is wicked slippery here. Don't step on that log.
We did a couple loads of firewood, and between all the motions of carrying it, getting the sled down, and splitting those huge chunks, you get hot really quickly. Time for a cold dip, a little break, and then get back to it. This one's probably going to be pretty intense because there's ice on top of the water, so you have to navigate through that and just with the snow and everything. There's no feeling like it though. If you can control your breathing and remain calm in a situation like this, you can take that with you and apply it in other stressful situations.
You never flipped it upside down now.
I did.
You did?
Yeah, I tried. Oh, finally. Tonight I'm making an oxymel, which is just honey and vinegar, and then you can choose what you want to infuse into it. This one I'm going to make for a sore throat or cough since it's that time of year. Last week I had a pretty dry cough and I wish I had some of this on hand.